Eternal Blight. Deserve. Deserve. Wait lang, hanap tayo bang ano. Ito, Under the Influence. Nag-chat siya sa akin. Deserve. Sir Digo po. It's going well. Anyway, hello, Daddy Juan. Hello, Daddy Juan. It's 8. Hi, love. Shout out. Live ako mamaya 8 p.m. guys. Hi, Ashley. Sana di masarap ulam mo mamaya. Sabi ni Ben, deserve. Hi, 2 a.m. Welcome back. Thank you for tapping. You don't know what you did to me. Cangelo. Hi, XS7B. Shout out. Hi, Smoke. Hi, thirst for you. Like a video. Let's go make a video. Got it, yeah. Royal. Hi, Tom. Cuddler, hello. Hi, Tom. College ka na po? Yes po. Second year college. Hi, Zach. Hi, Mas. Shout out. Apollo. Welcome back, Apollo. Hi, Kush. How are you, Apollo? You're here earlier, right? Kailan pa sa kanilang? August. Mga mid Thank you, Apollo. Thank you. Can you follow me back? Can you follow me back? Oo nga, next month na eh. Hi, Igan. Hi, Wen. Thank you, Apollo. Hi, ID number. Hello, Toxic. Hello, Clint. Thank you for tapping, Tom. Si Tom ba yun? Tom, thank you for tapping. Andoy.